Here's the MacBook Air M5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. Now once you take it out of the box and open the lid, it should automatically boot up. And once you're there, we just want to go and click on continue down there. From here, choose your language. I'm going to
use
go
English as the main language,
English here.
press the return key.
Now select your region or country. I'm in the United States and I'm going to tap on continue. Now this is where you can transfer your data to this Mac. Okay, so if you have another MacBook, you can do a backup from a time machine, startup disk, even from a Windows PC or computer. You can set up with your iPhone or iPad, or you can set up as new. You can also finish all the setup and do all that transfer after the setup as well. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and set up as new, and I'll do a transfer from my old Mac to this Mac at another time after setup. And I'm going to tap on continue here. Accessibility features, if you need any of these, look through those. And for myself, I'm going to tap on not now. Wi-Fi network, I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi network right now. I'm going to select it, tap and continue. Let me enter my Wi-Fi password. Then I'm going to tap on join. And it's connecting. And it looks like there's a software update that is required to continue. Okay, so we must continue here. Now it's downloading. You can see this update is 7.16 gigabytes. Now I get a progress bar here. It's booting back up, another progress bar. Okay, so now it puts me back to this screen where I have to click, choose my country. So we have to go there. I'm going to go with the United States again. And then go ahead and read through all this here, safety and handling, avoid hearing damage, and so on. Read all through that and then click on continue. So here it is again, the transfer data to this Mac. So like last time, I did set up as new, tap on continue. Accessibility, if you guys need any of that, go ahead and look through that for me. Nope, so I'll choose not now. And I don't know why it's asking me to connect back to my Wi-Fi here. That is really weird. But anyway, let me just connect back to my Wi-Fi. Let me enter my password. And I'm going to tap on join. Data and privacy, go ahead and read through all that. You can learn more right there. And then tap on continue. Create a Mac account. You can go ahead and like choose an avatar. I'll go with this one here and just put your name in. And then you want to make a password and you want to verify over there. And you can read down here, this hint is optional. Allow computer password to be reset with your Apple account. Most of you guys want that on there, but for me, I'll keep that one unchecked and I will go with continue. This is where you sign into your Apple account, or you can do it later, or you can create one, okay? But for myself, I'm going to skip this because I don't really remember my password. So I'm going to go down here and sign in later in settings, and I'll skip for now. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through all that. If you agree, tap on agree. Agree again. What's the age range of the person using the Mac? For me, I'm using it myself, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose adult right there. Enable location services. You can do that now, you can do it later, it really doesn't matter. But for me, I'll just go ahead and enable it now. And I'll tap on continue. Analytics here. Share Mac analytics with Apple and share crash and usage data with app developers. These are like both optional, so it's up to you. I'm fine with just having that, and I'll tap on continue. Read through this. This is your screen time, weekly reports. For me, I'm not interested in this, so I'm just going to set up later and never set it up. Apple Intelligence. You can go ahead and continue from here and see exactly what this Apple AI can do. But for me, I'm not interested. I will skip that. And here's your voice assistant. Siri, you can enable that, or you can not enable it, or you can enable it later on if you wish. But I'm going to go ahead and enable it now. So let's go ahead and enable Ask Siri. So let me go ahead and continue. Let me pick a voice for her.
The colors of the sky
I'll
fade
go
with the setting
4,
sun as the
and I'll
stars
tap on
begin to shine through the
continue.
clear night.
And now we're going to go ahead and continue again. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Okay, Siri is ready. This Mac will listen to Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of the request. I'm going to tap on continue. Improve Siri and dictation. This is optional here. You can share or not share. For me, I'm just going to go with not share, not now at least, and I will continue. So this is your Mac. Your Mac is ready for FileVault. Okay, FileVault keeps your Mac safe by encrypting your data and protecting it with the password you use to log in. If you forget your password, you can use the recovery key to reset it. Okay, so if you want to do that, then you would turn it on. Okay, but for me, I'm not interested, because if you want to turn it on, then you have to copy this and you have to save it. For me, I'm going to end up losing that, so I'm just going to not worry about that, and let me go back button, and then I'm just going to put not now for myself, and I will continue. Touch ID, basically a fingerprint password. Let's set this up now. Okay, let's go ahead and go with continue, and then the button right here, I'm going to place my finger on there and just keep going up and down until all the red is all filled. Then you want to get like the edges of your finger, just keep going up and down. Okay, there we go. Touch ID is ready, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. Choose your look. Do you like this light look, or do you want this dark look, or you can go with auto. Myself, I like dark, and I will go with continue. Update Mac automatically. Go ahead and read through that, and you can only download it automatically, or you can just go here. I'm going to go with continue. Welcome, and now let me tap on select get started right there, and voila. Looks like we are in business.